first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. With this formula, I will explain you with geometrical method and with this 3D box. First, I will explain you with this geometrical method. First we will make a line. In this line we will point a mark in between of line and we will give a two part, A and B. With this A and B we will make a square box, that is a plus b whole square. In this whole square box, with this line we will make a line in between this box. After making this box we will get a four figure, two square and two rectangle. Area of square is equal to side into side and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And one square box is a square and the second square box is b square, and the third this is a is length and b is breadth. Then a is length and b is breadth. AB is equal to 2ab. We will, after adding this three box, we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square. The formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the answer of this formula, and this is 3D box for explanation of this formula. After seeing this box, we will explain easily. This is a square and this is b square, and this is AB. A square plus 2ab plus b square. If we will see from every side, we will get same formula. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Prajwal. We all are from Math and today we are here to express our mathematics project, which is angles and their types. So first of all, let us show you the acute angle, which is always lesser than 90 degree. So here we can see an acute angle which is less than 90 degree. So after that, here comes our right angle, which is at exact 90 degree. We can see here it is at 90 degree. After that, we come to know about obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. After that, we come to know about straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. We can measure it from either here or from the other part. After that, reflex angle, which is always greater than 180 degree. At the end, we come to know about complete rotation or full angle, which is at 360 degree or 0 degree. And at here, we come to the end of our project.
Good morning. Myself Ayushi. Myself Arjun. And this is our presentation on angles. And the angle is formed when two rays join together at a common point. Here the common point is known as node of vertex, and the two rays is known as arms of the angle. Basically, there are 6 types of angle in geometry. They are: first is acute angle. It lies between 0 to 90 degree. Next is right angle. This angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. Third is obtuse angle. This angle lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. And next is straight angle, which is exactly equal to 180 degree. And next is reflex angle, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And next is full rotation. The complete rotation of angle is equal to 360 degree. Thank you.
We are from class 9A, and here is one model name, standard angles of trigonometrical ratios. So this we have made by cardboard and pipe as a ruler. So these trigonometrical ratios are very important in mathematics and in future and in higher classes also. This will be more useful in mathematics. So you can see standard angles of trigonometrical ratios. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Sin 40 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 degree is equal to 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Cos 30 degree is equal to 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Tan 40 degree is equal to 1 by 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 60 degree is equal to 3, and tan 90 degree is equal to infinite. There are also again 3 trigonometrical ratios which we can find it by reciprocal ratios. Like here sin 90 reciprocal of cos is sec. So cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. That will be infinite. Therefore sec 90 degrees is equal to infinite. Then tan 90 degrees is equal to infinite. Tan is the reciprocal of cot. So tan 90 degrees is equal to infinite. Reciprocal of infinite is 1 by infinite. That will be the 0. Therefore cot 90 degrees is equal to 0. Thank you.
My name is Jessica Sudeshmukh. My name is Kushik Tiwari. Today I am going to explain human model division machine. If you all know that we sometimes make mistakes in division, so I prepared a machine to make our division easy. First, we put 1 6 in the problem box. Our problem is 12 divided by 4, so we can put 12 6 in the dividend box. So our divisor is 4, so we can put 4 sticks in one cup. So here 3 cups are filled. So our portion is 3. Here no 6 are left, so the remainder is 0. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Pitireti Sadhu and my name is Trusha Vaidya and we are from class 6A. Today our topic is Pythagoras theorem. First we will look at what is Pythagoras theorem and what it states. It states that in a right angled triangle the squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is, square described on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the described on the other two sides. So to begin with, first we will construct a right triangle here. With the vertices A, B, C, angle vertex A is 90 degrees. We will denote the side opposite to angle A as small a, angle B as small b and angle C as small c. In order to verify our theorem, we need squares at the sides of the triangle. This is A square. This is B square and this is C square. We have kept all the squares on their places. In order to verify, we will do some constructions here in the C square. Here you can see that in the C square, so many lines are intersecting at point O. HB line, IA line is intersecting at point O. Now we will keep a ruler on the BC line and we will straight go to the RS line. We can see that the BC line and RS line is parallel to each other. Now we will keep the ruler straight and we will go straight to the PQ line. We can see that the straight line and PQ line is equal. Now we also prepared 4 quadrilaterals of this square. This is the first quadrilateral. This is the second quadrilateral. Third quadrilateral. Fourth quadrilateral. We can see that the 4 quadrilaterals have completely overlapped the C square. Now we will pick up all the 4 quadrilaterals. Now we will pick up the A square and we will pick up the B square and keep it in the middle of the A square in the diamond formation. Now we will keep all the 4 quadrilaterals of C square at the sides of the B square. First, fourth quadrilateral. Now you can see that the B square and the four quadrilaterals of C square have completely overlapped the square. That means the sum of B square and C square is equal to the length of A square. Formula is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. In order, this formula is A square is equal to B square plus C square. Thank you and good night.
Good morning, teachers. Myself is Bhiravi from class 6A. Today I will tell you about types of angles. Angles are a very important part of geometry, and we will also understand with the help of slices of pizza. So let's see about this angle. Acute angle. Acute angle is always greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. For example, 50 degree. This is acute because it is greater than 0 and less than 90. And if we will take one slice of pizza, then it will look like L shape. If we will join two pieces, then it will look like right angle. Obtuse angle. In obtuse angle, it is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. For example, 140. It is obtuse because it is greater than 90 and less than 180. If you will join three pieces, then it will look